Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phone parts step by step. Start by identifying the exact model and part and take sharp photos from multiple angles, then write a precise title that includes brand, model, and part type. Describe condition fully and note tested status or defects. Research recent listings to set a competitive price. Choose secure payment and insured shipping with tracking to protect both seller and buyer. Begin by checking sold listings and supply levels to gauge demand, then calculate a price that covers fees, shipping, and a small profit margin. If items are common, consider a slightly lower price or bundle multiple parts to increase perceived value. Offer clear return terms and a brief testing report to justify your price. Respond quickly to inquiries to convert interest into sales while maintaining professional tone and honest descriptions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with selling skills by improving how you manage proceeds and set goals. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize buyer and seller protection by using tracked shipping and packaged padding to prevent damage in transit. Accept reputable payment methods and avoid unusual requests like direct wire transfers or off-platform communications. Keep all messages, invoices, and tracking numbers until the buyer confirms receipt. If a dispute arises, provide photos of packaging and tracking proof. Clear communication about handling time and return policy reduces misunderstandings and builds trust for repeat customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.